everyone, welcome to Biography and Knowledge. BeBe Rexha has dropped the video for her new song of 2021, Sacrifice. The single follows her collaboration with Doja Cat, Baby I'm Jealous, which arrived last October. The seductive new visual for her new track, which she said is the only dance song on her upcoming album, addresses the attention needed to nurture a relationship and references 19th films such as Blade and the Matrix franchise. The storyline is that she and her vampire girls are actually good vampires who haunt bad peoples. Her album is based off honesty and insecurities, and speaking upon those insecurities, Sacrifice is the only dance song on the album, and it speaks to insecurity of being in a relationship. Because when you are in a relationship, it's so important for both sides to really be on the same page. So go check it out, this song, and do comment below in a comment section, and also let me know your favorite BeBe Rexha songs. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then do comment, share and subscribe my channel, and yes, press the bell icon so never miss a video on my channel. Bye bye, take care, stay blessed and stay connected.